Hi everybody, this is the Artist King here. I am back with another video. Well, it's still the holidays. I hope that you have had a really nice Christmas, peaceful, quiet. You got to spend time with family and everything, and that you are looking forward to 2024. So, today I am doing something a little bit different again because I re I redid my living and dining room, and I decided that everything that I put on the walls is stuff that I would make myself. So I still had two more spaces on my walls, so I decided to do this. I got at Hobby Lobby, they have like pieces of material that people didn't get or there was leftover, so they sell it cheap. So I got two pieces of burlap, and I decided to do something a little bit different. So what I did, I kind of just drew a pattern on it with a pencil, and now I'm gonna paint it over with black paint. Paint in, within the little design that I made, I'm gonna do some black paint and do, just something a little bit different. So what I did with the edges of the material, I kind of pulled them out to kind of splay them a little bit so it looks like, I'm not sure how you call that, but at the end of the video when you see it hung on the wall, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I did that. I wanted to keep it simple. I didn't want to use a whole lot of colors because I decided this time my dining and living room, I'm going to do it white with like kind of neutral tones like colors. So I'm using like this kind of khaki. I used a lot of white and off-white, and of course I have a lot of plants, and then I've done some like silver stuff, just a few different things. But for once I don't have a lot of color, because for you guys that know me, I love a lot of bright colors. But for some reason this time I decided to do everything kind of light and airy. So I have white curtains up, and I bought a white couch and a white dining room set just for something different. And come this next summer, I hope to be able to repaint the walls of my living and dining room. I want to do them in white. So because I just want things to be light. And I had a lot of dark furniture, dark browns and blues um, and what you call this thing, teal and stuff like that. I had some really dark colors. I had a black dining set, and one day I came in and I was like, oh my god, all this dark colors is just making me feel sad. So I decided for 2024 I'm gonna do something different. So this is a piece of artwork that I will be placing on my wall. So anyway, you guys, enjoy the video. I'm not gonna talk a lot today. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. And I just want to take this time again to thank my subscribers, those who have been with me for a long time, who watch my videos but never comment. Just want to say thank you for doing that, and I hope to see some new faces come 2024. And I hope that my channel has inspired you and caused you to want to paint. And I'm looking forward to what 2024 is gonna bring. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here, but do not stop the video. Watch till the end because I want you to see exactly how it turns out, and I want you to see what it looks like on the wall in my I think I put this one up in my dining room. So anyway guys, thank you for watching again, and Happy New Year. All the best for 2024, and I'll see you next week. Okay, all right, bye now.